All Gulf is under attack right now by Israel, Iran and US. So market is right now risk on full of tension, and market may break all time high again in gold market and silver market as well. So in today weekly analysis, we are looking at geopolitical, fundamentally and technical analysis, what's going in market and which is the great opportunity to buy gold or sell gold, and what is our possible profitable goals. Let's find out in this video. My name is Raheel Nawaz. Welcome to Capital Coach.
Coming days would be highly volatile due to the Iran-United States of America war. According to the Commodity Future Trading Commission report, the future contract of gold settled between $4,406 to $5,510. Central bank gold buying increased last week, and there is huge probability to increase the gold buying for the central bank in near future. Smart money is also purchasing the gold due to the war sentiment. The non-commercials may book their profits. From the last 48 hours, war between United States of America and Iran is accelerating, and there is no probability to stop the war between United States of America and Iran in next 48 hours. Reaction of Russia and China regarding the United States of America and Iran war would be very crucial. China condemned the United States of America action in a very harsh words. Peoples of Arab countries, United States of America and Israel are in a very severe pain. On the other hand, in United States of America, there is no probability of interest rate cut in near future. According to the dot plot of Federal Reserve Bank of America, there would be only one interest rate cut in 2026, but data would decide the interest rate cut decision in near future. In this week, labor market data and non-farm payroll will decide the market situation. According to the geopolitical experts, Cambodia would be the next target of United States of America. According to the experts' opinion for gold trading, the bias for gold would be the buy, and best strategy would be buy from the every dip.
First of all, let's look at the calendar events first. Today is not very important calendar events, only some of Europe and GBP data. But the important thing is FOMC member will talk, and this talk is very important. And also Wednesday 4 March 2026 is also important because of ADP non-farm employment change, ISM services PMIs and final services PMI, and crude oil inventories, and final we are talking about the 5 March unemployment claim, and a few of Federal Reserve member will talk, and natural gas storage data as well. But most important day is the Friday because of NFP. Friday 6:30 p.m. may release non-farm employment change data, and also retail sale and core retail sale data as well, and employment rate. And also FOMC members, 3 to 4 members will talk, and their talk is very important because of rate cut decision. But the thing is, market is not right now following the calendar events. Market is following right now the geopolitical events and market sentiment. Our today weekly analysis video is very important because of monthly closing. As you know, Feb 2026 candle already closed, and a new candle start now. So let's find out how market is react. If we are talking about the monthly chart is consistently making buy candles since 2024, and market is right now extreme bullish. And if we are talking about the weekly candle, weekly trend is also bullish, and market is far away right now from moving average. If I am talking about daily chart, Monday market open with $100 gap, and market fill his gap immediately. And let's talk about the intraday traders, and let's talk about the geopolitical events as well. If we are looking at the intraday trends, and if we are looking at geopolitical and fundamental, they are supporting gold bullish because the risk is still on due to the war of Iran, Israel and America, and all the Gulf region is very badly affected due to this war. Our airlines is right now, many airports of the Gulf countries is blocked from last 3 to 4 days, and now US and Canada announced very important advisory to their citizens. The citizen working in Gulf countries. US and Canada released 12 Gulf countries list to leave these countries immediately. In these countries, UAE, Saudi Arab, Kuwait, and Qatar is very important in this list because there are many overseas working there in these countries. So that means there is a very huge risk on right now in financial market, and we are looking some bad wars in our region. That's not good for our region and Asia as well. So if war is not going to stop, then gold is taking pressure on upside, and gold in demand, heavy demand right now. So if we are talking about the Monday gap is already filled, and we face today gap as well, and this gap is only $10 to $15 gap, but market fill his gap immediately, and market also fill all the gaps from last 2 days. But market is strong in pressure, especially I'm talking about the gold market. Market is sideways very badly. Market average high is 5400 to 5380, average low is $5300. So that means market is moving in $100. So we have to wait to market break his ranges, then we will take a buy chance. But from every low, whenever market touch 5300, 5280, 5260, these are your best buying level from intraday and short term purposes and for long term purposes as well. But if market got retraced and we take chance to buy gold from 5200 or 5220 level, then it's great buying trade, because that's a very awesome level for buying gold long term. Because I am looking as a technical analyst, what I observe, market is going to hit all-time high again, and market is going to hit 5300, 5400, and 5500 and $5600 as well by the end of this month or this week 2026. So this is very important week because war began by the starting of this week, and now market is not getting the price in war. If market price in war, gold may break all-time high as well. Let me show you. Our first high is $5600 by the end of the Jan 2026, and market is now going to retest his best value, high value again by the end of the March as well. So maybe the middle of the March market may retrace or may retest his all-time high, but at that time the geopolitical condition market is also able to break these all-time high as well and hit or make a new high with the price of $6,500 as well. In that scenario, we need to gold hunt by every spot. If we got 5,000, 5,100, 5,200, we will buy gold, and our target is 6,000, 6,500 and 7,000 as well by the end of March 2026. That means our first quarter of the year is very important, and a quarterly candle may close by all-time high. Look at the momentum which we got from first quarter by 2026, and there is no other quarter is extreme like first quarter of 2026. That's how this quarter is very important. So our quarterly candle may hit at $6,000. So let's find out in near future in geopolitical conditions market is what's going on in market. So as far our weekly analysis, we analyze and we conclude to buy gold from every dip. So buy baby, buy gold from every dip and make your account as a full of green pips. I hope this video is fine for you, is very helpful. Please follow Capital Coach and hit the like button, and also share your thoughts in comment below. Thank you.